The University of Tennessee College of Medicine in Chattanooga features the Erlanger Health System as a home for medical students and residents to learn and practice medicine, surrounded by supportive faculty and peers, as well as incredible outdoor opportunities. The best way to show the benefits of Chattanooga is to hear about it from students and residents themselves.
I went to UT, so I spent 2 years in Memphis and did some clerkships there and did some clerkships here. I enjoy my experience in both places, but I did enjoy Chattanooga. It's a little bit smaller. I think you get a little more kind of one-on-one attention. You're a little more integrated into teams in some way. And then into the surgery program, as a resident, I feel like I got to get in and operate early and often. Did my first skin-to-skin gallbladder about 6 months into residency, which is it was pretty special. There's some places you're looking at your third year before you ever get to do that. The skills lab we have here is really special. It's pretty well integrated, from medical students up to residents. As far as the medical student curriculum goes, learning suturing skills and things that you can carry forward to even the next day, trauma-based suturing, lacerations, things like that. Learning those skills, as well as a chance to work on your laparoscopic skills a little bit, and even the robotic a little bit, using the robotic simulator to let the students do that. Then moving up as a resident, that becomes even more important, using some live tissue models and things like that to get a good grasp of how to handle tissues and how to do operations before you may do it in person.
I grew up here and I'm doing almost all of my rotations here. There are mountains all around us, so there's a lot of places to hike and mountain bike. There's the Tennessee River, so you can go paddleboarding, boating, tubing. Those are a lot of activities that the med students choose to do here. There's also a lot of rock climbing, just because there are a lot of mountains, so you can go outdoor rock climbing. We have a wonderful rock climbing facility in Chattanooga, so you can go there as well. And a lot of students take advantage of that opportunity, and I've gone a bunch of times with my friends. The Tennessee Aquarium as well is one of our best attractions. There's a lot of bluegrass and folk and indie music that comes through town. A lot of great music festivals as well that we go to. Another great aspect of rotating through Chattanooga is that UT provides housing for its students. You end up living in this apartment complex with all of your friends. There's a pool and a grill, so we definitely take advantage of the utilities there as well. And so a lot of students, because housing is provided, end up rotating through Chattanooga, so there's a lot of people to hang out with. What I really like about my medical education here in Chattanooga is that the teams are a little bit smaller, so as a medical student you end up carrying a little bit more responsibility of the patients and you have more of a role on the team. People also have more time to teach you, so attendings will go out of their way and do maybe even a daily lecture with you and sit down with you and test you and make sure you're knowing the material really well.
I'm from a small town in Louisiana, so Chattanooga was the perfect combination of a larger city, except it was a smaller city. There's lots of outdoor activities, a lot of restaurants, the beautiful Tennessee River runs straight through it, lots of family-friendly things. There's just kind of a little bit for everyone here. I think that's one of the things you should really look at is whenever you interview somewhere, or the people you talk to, because that's who you're going to spend most of your time with. And everyone that I've met and interviewed with, they're like my family here. So besides the people, I think that we have a good combination of teaching, of other fellowships and programs and other subspecialties here in Erlanger.
My name is Michael Zeiser, and I'm originally from Chattanooga, and I'm doing about half of my third-year rotations here. One thing I really love about Chattanooga is the fact that you can do any kind of outdoor activity almost. You can go hiking, go biking, go exploring, kayaking, whatever. Even things that are a little bit unique like hang gliding on the back of Lookout Mountain. If you're into outdoors, it's definitely the place to be. Another great thing about Chattanooga is the fact that Erlanger is a level 1 trauma center. So you get to see a lot of different pathology, whether you're doing surgery or internal medicine or any other rotation. So I've gotten to see a lot of neat things and learn a lot of new things just from being in this location. I really loved every faculty member as well as every resident that I worked with while I was here. They really care for you, it seems, and everyone's very friendly in Chattanooga from my experience. They not only care for you as a person, but for you learning, and they really want you to have the best experience possible here. Another thing I've really come to enjoy about Chattanooga is the music experience you can get here. There's a lot of free things like Nightfall that happens every Friday during the summer, spring, and fall, as well as the Mountain Opry, which is free bluegrass music. Chattanooga is also a growing hub for music, with a lot of bigger concerts coming through, as well as music festivals that you get to see every year. And so it's a good place to be if you're into especially a lot of the folk or indie musicians that are out there.
Country road.